So if you were in class today, some of you got the check step, some of you did not. So I decided to make a video of it. And if you were at home, you saw one check step, but you did not see other check steps. So we're gonna go over that right now. So if you open your notes from today, which was 219 to 283, we're going to continue going over solving equations without maths and going over check steps. So you have negative x plus 2 equals 4. We want to subtract 2 from both sides. We would have negative x equals 2. You cannot have a negative variable, so you need to divide both sides by negative 1, and you would have x equals 2 as your answer. Now, there's a way to check to see if you were right, and that is called a check step, and you will have to do this on your test. So every time you see x, now you're going to plug in 2. So if we have negative x plus 2 equals 4, negative parentheses 2 plus 2, or I'm sorry, that should be negative 2. 2 divided by negative 1 is negative 2. So negative 1 times negative 2 plus 2 equals 4. That would be 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 equals 4. It checks. Moving down to the next one. We need to combine like terms first. Remember, you cannot combine like terms on other sides of the equal sign. So 4x plus 1x is 5x minus 2 equals 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 8. If I subtract my 5x, you will get negative 2 equals 8, which is not true, so it's no solution. When you come across a no solution, you cannot check it. That is your final step right there. And now we have 4y minus 9 plus y equals 6. So 4y plus y give you 5y minus 9 equals 6. Add 9. And then I would like you to solve it from here and try your check step. Okay, if you're back, that means you've tried to finish it, solving this equation. So you should have 5y equals 15. Divide both sides by 5, you would get y equals 3. So now for your check step, every time you saw y, you needed to plug in 3. 4 times 3 minus 9 plus 3 equals 6. 4 times 3 is 12 minus 9 plus 3 equals 6. Notice how I copy it down each time. 12 minus 9 is 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 3 is 6, which equals 6, so it checks. That is correct. Finally, part D, 9 minus the quantity of 2y minus 3y equals 6 plus 2y minus the quantity of 5 plus y. So we want to distribute first. 9 minus 2 plus 3y equals 6 plus 2y minus 5 minus y. Now we can combine our like terms. 9 minus 2 is 7. Oops. Equals 6 minus 5 is 1. 2y minus y is 1y. So from here, pause the video and try and solve this and do your check step. If you're back with me, that means you finished. So we're going to subtract 1 from both sides. Get 6 plus 3y equals y. Subtract 3y, and we would get 6 equals negative 2y. You need to divide both sides by negative 2 to get y alone, and you would get negative 3 equals y. Let's check to make sure we're correct. 9 minus 2 minus 3 times negative 3 equals 6 plus 2 times negative 3 minus 5 plus negative 3. So now we need to follow the order of operations. 9 parentheses, -3 times 3 inside the parentheses first. So 2 plus 9 equals 6 plus 2 times -3, because we got to do inside the parentheses first. 5 minus 3 is 2. Nine plus 2 is 11. Now we can multiply. Hang on a second. Oh, that's a subtraction, not a multiplication. That was my fault. I copied that down wrong. That should be 9 minus 11. So 9 minus 11 is -2 equals 6 minus 6 is 0 minus 2. -2 equals -2, and it checks. So as you notice, I made a mistake there. It's very important that you're watching closely to your signs and copying down the problem. You will need to know a check step tomorrow for your test. B-Day students, A-Day, you have another day, but you need to make sure you're going over checks. If you have any questions, you can email us.